A lot of things happened during COVID and towards the end of COVID. Some of them were exciting, others were really boring, and others were very hard for us to understand. But one thing that HP did is that HP was thinking about hybrid work. Towards the end of COVID, HP gave us the HP 970 keyboard, which is a keyboard that is purely designed to connect to multiple devices and do away with the stress of having to take your dongle from one device to another device. This keyboard, which has programmable keys, is able to connect to 3 devices at once. 2 devices can connect via Bluetooth, and one of the devices is connected using the provided dongle. Yellow Apple sent this keyboard to the studio, so let's talk about it. The HP 970 wireless keyboard has 24 programmable keys, customizable via the HP Accessory Center application. You can map any of these keys to shortcuts, launch applications, or trigger commands, so you cut down on repetitive keystrokes. The smart backlight auto-adjusts to room lighting and lights up as your hands approach. It brightens when you reach for the keyboard and dims or switches off when you step away. This saves on battery and at the same time keeps the keys visible. As I said, you connect this keyboard to 3 devices at once. 2 of the devices are connected using Bluetooth 5.0 and one of the devices is connected using the provided dongle. In the studio, the PC that I use, which is a custom PC, does not have the Bluetooth built into the motherboard, so I have to connect this keyboard using a dongle, and any other thing that I need to connect needs to have a dongle for it to be able to connect to the PC wirelessly. The keyboard works with Windows and Mac OS with a button to switch between the 2 keyboard layouts. It charges using the Type-C cable that is provided inside the box, but with 6 months of a single charge, I bet you might not be able to find the provided Type-C cable after 6 months to charge again. So use any Type-C cable that you have as long as it's quality enough to charge the keyboard. It gives premium user experience with scissor switches, 2mm travel, soft return tech, delivers quiet, low-profile laptop-like typing feel that stays comfortable throughout long sessions of typing. On the keyboard, you get a dedicated separate side for your keypad. This is very key when you're putting in a lot of data, especially when you're working with spreadsheets or doing calculations. Your keystrokes are encrypted to block snooping, and a single press locks your machine when you step away from it. HP has built this keyboard with 20% recycled plastic, and you get it in silver white and weighs just less than 1 kg. Inside the box, you get the keyboard itself, a USB dongle, a Type-C charging cable which is 1.2 meters, warranty card, and setup guide, which is everything you need to get started on this keyboard. The HP 970 keyboard was sent to the studio for this review by Yellow Apple Technologies in Nairobi, and when you tell them that Moran referred you, they'll sell you this keyboard at 6,000 Kenya shillings. Subscribe and follow for more.